Best Tactical Knives for Self-Defense, Top 7 Ranked 2025. Choosing the right tactical knife for self-defense is not just about owning a sharp edge, it's about having a tool that can be trusted when seconds matter. In 2025, the market is flooded with blades of every shape and size, making it easy to feel overwhelmed by endless choices. Some knives are designed purely for everyday utility, while others are purpose-built with defense in mind. A tactical knife designed for self-defense must combine speed, strength, reliability, and ergonomics in a way that inspires confidence under pressure. Number 7. Kershaw Secret Agent. The Kershaw Secret Agent claims the 7th slot because it was engineered for people who need a lightweight and discreet option for personal protection. At only 4.4 inches in blade length and weighing under 3 ounces, the Secret Agent is easy to conceal in daily wear. Its stainless steel composition, specifically 8CR13 MOV, offers adequate hardness and edge sharpness while staying easy to maintain in the field. A black oxide coating covers the blade, reducing visibility and giving it additional protection from corrosion. The handle is one of the real strengths of this design. Made from glass-filled nylon and enhanced with rubberized overlays, the grip feels stable even when wet or under duress. This design decision is crucial for defensive encounters, where sweaty palms or rain could otherwise compromise control. The slender profile also ensures the knife can be drawn quickly without snagging on clothing or gear. The sheath included with this knife offers versatility. It can be attached to a belt or worn inside a boot, which gives the carrier multiple options for accessibility depending on their environment. Quick deployment is vital in a threatening situation, and this sheath does not slow the user down. Why is the Secret Agent in the 7th slot rather than higher up the list? The answer lies in its limitations. The steel used, while serviceable, does not compare to premium alloys found in top-tier tactical models. It can lose sharpness more quickly and demands regular maintenance. The knife is also slim and light, meaning it lacks the durability required for extended heavy-duty use. However, it excels at its primary purpose, being an unobtrusive self-defense companion. Overall, the Kershaw Secret Agent is an excellent introduction to tactical knives for people who value concealment, affordability, and straightforward performance. While it lands at number 7 in this ranking, for those who prioritize stealth and comfort, it can easily feel like their personal top choice. Number 6. Occupying slot 6, the CRKT M1614SF was designed with direct military input, and that heritage shows in every detail. The 4-inch Tanto blade, made from AUS 8 stainless steel, excels at thrusting and controlled cut. Its reinforced tip provides durability for piercing tasks, while the partially serrated edge adds utility against fibrous materials like rope or webbing. A defining feature is the Carson flipper, which allows the knife to be opened in an instant with one hand. This fast deployment is further secured by CRKT's auto lock system, effectively turning the liner lock into an EVA-fixed blade when engaged. For tactical encounters, this extra security reduces the chance of failure. The handle is built from aircraft-grade aluminum with textured insert. Strong yet light, it balances toughness with comfort. The grip's design fits naturally in the palm, minimizing hand fatigue and offering superior retention under stress. A 4-position pocket clip gives flexibility for tip-up or tip-down carry. Its limitations come from the steel itself. AUS 8 is functional, but not at the level of high-end alloys, so frequent users will notice it needs maintenance more often. That said, its reasonable cost, combined with dependable tactical features, justify its place in this lineup. Ranking 6th, the M1614SF is trusted by professionals for quick action, solid ergonomics, and combat-proven reliability. Number 5. Cold Steel Recon 1. Taking the 5th position, the Cold Steel Recon 1 has earned a reputation as one of the toughest folding knives available. With a blade length of 4 inches crafted from CPM S35VN steel, it offers both resilience and impressive edge retention. The clip point design enhances penetration power while maintaining slicing performance, making it adaptable for a variety of defensive scenarios. The standout element is the triad lock mechanism. Cold Steel is renowned for producing some of the strongest lock systems in the industry, and the Recon 1 demonstrates why. Once deployed, The blade is virtually immovable, providing confidence in high-stress situations where failure is not an option. The handle is constructed from G10 laminate, offering a textured, almost aggressive grip that ensures the knife stays secure even when hands are wet or gloved. Despite the rugged materials, the ergonomics are comfortable for prolonged handling. Its reversible pocket clip and slim profile allow for convenient daily carry without sacrificing accessibility. If there is a drawback, it lies in its size and heft. At over 5 ounces, it may feel heavy for users accustomed to smaller knives. However, this weight adds to the sense of security and durability that the Recon 1 delivers. This model earns the 5th ranking because of its blend of power, reliability, and excellent material. For many enthusiasts, it's the folding knife they measure all others against. Number 4, SOG Seal XR. The SOG Seal XR claims the 4th ranking with its fusion of strength, speed, and modern engineering. Borrowing design elements from the company's famous fixed-blade seal knives, this folder provides military-grade toughness in a portable form. The 3.9-inch blade, made from CPM S35VN steel, ensures superb edge retention and toughness. The modified clip-point shape enhances versatility, allowing deep punctures while retaining slicing efficiency. What sets this model apart is the XR lock mechanism. This ambidextrous system is engineered to withstand extreme force while allowing rapid, smooth opening with either hand. Users can flick the blade open with a thumb stud, flipper tab, or even a quick wrist movement, giving unmatched deployment options. The handle features textured G10 scales, reinforced with stainless liners, producing a grip that is both secure and durable. Its ergonomic contours provide comfort while ensuring control in high-stress encounters. At 8.9 inches overall length, when open, the Seal XR commands presence without feeling unwieldy. Its primary limitation is size. Some may find it too large for discreet everyday carry. In addition, its price point is higher than many competitors, reflecting the premium steel and construction. Still, the Seal XR stands out as one of the most capable tactical folders available, earning its place at number 4 thanks to its blend of innovation and battlefield toughness. Number 3, Gerber 06 Auto. Ranking 3rd, the Gerber 06 Auto has become an icon in the tactical knife world, favored by countless service members. Its automatic opening mechanism, activated with a simple button press, launches the 3.8-inch S30V steel blade instantly into action. This steel is highly regarded for its balance of edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The drop-point blade shape provides versatility, excelling at slicing tasks while offering reliable strength for piercing. A partially serrated edge version is available, further enhancing its utility. The handle, machined from anodized aluminum with textured scales, is designed for a sure grip in all conditions. Its integrated steel pommel functions as a striking tool or glass breaker, adding utility in emergencies. A slide safety ensures the blade remains securely locked, preventing accidental deployment. Where the Gerber 06 Auto shines is durability. Built to withstand combat environments, it can endure harsh conditions without compromising function. At over 7 ounces, it is heavier than many alternatives, but this heft contributes to its robust feel. Its drawbacks are primarily legal restrictions. Automatic knives are not legal everywhere, limiting accessibility for some users. Nevertheless, for those able to own one, the 06 Auto delivers reliability that justifies its 3rd place ranking. Number 2, Benchmade Infidel OTF. The second spot belongs to the Benchmade Infidel, a double-action out-the-front automatic that epitomizes tactical precision. With a 3.9-inch spear point blade made from D2 tool steel, it offers excellent hardness and penetration power. The symmetrical blade design ensures effective thrusts, making it an ideal choice for defensive encounters. The defining feature is its dual-action OTF mechanism. A simple thumb slide deploys or retracts the blade with authority, ensuring rapid readiness. Few knives inspire the same level of confidence in deployment speed as the Infidel. Its handle is crafted from anodized aluminum with machined grooves for secure handling. Despite its slim profile, it offers excellent control and a surprisingly comfortable grip. At 4.9 ounces, it strikes a balance between strength and portability. The Infidel's weaknesses lie mainly in cost and maintenance. D2 steel, while hard and effective, is more prone to corrosion without. Additionally, the OTF mechanism, while reliable, requires occasional cleaning to ensure flawless operation. Still, its premium feel, lightning-fast action, and iconic design have made it one of the most respected tactical knives available, earning its high placement at number 2. Number 1. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Claiming the top ranking, the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 has achieved legendary status in the tactical community. Its 3.44-inch blade, crafted from CPM S45 VN steel, delivers superb edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. The full flat grind enhances slicing ability, while the sharp tip provides excellent precision for thrusts. The knife's most celebrated feature is the compression lock system. Strong, safe, and easy to operate with one hand, it allows quick deployment and secure lockup. Combined with Spyderco's trademark thumb hole, deployment is intuitive and smooth in any orientation. The handle, constructed from G10 scales, is ergonomically shaped with a forward finger choil that improves control during detailed work. Its textured surface provides traction without being abrasive, allowing comfortable extended use. A 4-position pocket clip ensures multiple carry styles, enhancing adaptability. The Paramilitary 2's only real drawback is availability. It is often in high demand, making certain models harder to find. Its mid-sized blade may also feel small for users who prefer oversized tactical knives. Even with these minor critiques, the Paramilitary 2 remains unmatched in overall balance, performance, and dependability. It earns the number 1 spot because it blends practicality, cutting efficiency, and ergonomic excellence into one of the most respected folding knives in existence. After examining these 7 remarkable tactical knives, one truth becomes clear: there is no single perfect blade for everyone, but there is a right blade for each person. The models ranked in this guide represent the pinnacle of self-defense design, each excelling in different ways. Some, like the Kershaw Secret Agent at number 7, focus on affordability and concealment. Others, like the Benchmade Infidel and Spyderco Paramilitary 2, stand at the top for their precision engineering and balance of performance. This spread ensures that whether you value speed, toughness, grip, or versatility, there is an option tailored to your priority.